Hi there, welcome once again, and this is the time for learning image fixing in Adobe Photoshop. You can take a look. This is an image from our exercise file, and this is an old image, and we have number of white spot over here, and we are going to remove all the white spots from here. And you can take a look. Maybe it's some kind of a paint splash spots on here, and we are going to remove all the spots from here, and we are going to fix this image. So how it will look like once we will fix the image. So let me show you the example. Let me turn on this fixed image layer, and we can take a look. All the spots are removed, and this image seems much better than before. So this is the process of fixing image. So let's take a look how you will fix an image in Adobe Photoshop. We have to open our exercise file, and therefore we have to go for file menu, open option, and inside the exercise file you will get this image fixing folder. So you just have to open the image fixing folder, and inside the image fixing folder you will get this old image. So you just have to select it, and then you have to click open. Okay, this is our image, and you can take a look. Number of white spots are available in here, and we are going to fix it. But before starting the fixing this image, I want to duplicate the background layer. So let's duplicate the background layer. You just have to right click with your mouse, and then you will get this duplicate layer option. And I want to write no spot. And let me click OK. Okay, you can take a look. All the spots are still available, but we will remove all the spots in no spot layer. So please make sure this no spot layer is selected. And we have to use spot healing brush tool, and you are familiar with this tool, and this is an awesome tool. So this is the spot healing brush tool, and we have to increase the hardness as well. We have to go for 100% hardness, and we will use this content hour type. In retouching section, we used the same procedure for removing the bad spot from the skin, and we are doing the same things in here. But you can take a look. We have some small piece of paint, and we are going to remove this very carefully. So let's start with the big ones. Okay, you can take a look. We have some white spot at here, and therefore we have to reduce the brush size. So let's reduce the brush size. You have to use a small brush for small spot. And for this corner you have to use the small brush, because if you use the bigger size in brush, then the area or the portion may be distract from the image. So therefore you have to be careful for corner also. Okay, you can take a look. All the white spot is removed from here. Okay, now it looks much better than before. So let's make a compare. Let me turn off this no spot layer. This is the before and this is the after. And after applying the spot healing brush tool, now this image looks much better than before. So let's have some practice for removing the unwanted object or unwanted spot from the image using the spot healing brush tool. To see you in next lesson.